Now, a good drasha cannot only make the rebels interesting. If we stop there, we accidentally give Korach a platform. The Torah is clear. Moshe is right. Aharon is right. Korach, Datan, and Aviram are wrong. The question is, how does the Torah prove it? At the burning bush, Hashem says, I have surely seen the suffering of my people. I have heard their cry. I know their pain. I have come down to save them. Moshe is not a self-appointed revolutionary. He is sent. So when Datan and Aviram ask, who made you a ruler and judge over us? The answer is, Hashem did. Hashem tells Moshe that redemption will come with an outstretched arm and with great judgments. That means the harshness of the process is not Moshe's failure. It is part of the divine design. Yetziat Mitzrayim is not only an escape from slavery. It is a birur. It's a selection process. It reveals who truly wants to leave Egypt. That is why the plague of darkness matters so much. From Datan and Aviram's emotional perspective, it may look like Moshe's Geulah killed Jews. From the Torah's perspective, those Jews died because they did not want to leave Egypt. Geulah cannot carry someone forward if he inwardly refuses to leave. Moshe also feels the pain. He says, why have you done evil to this people? Why did you send me? That is an incredible pasuk. Moshe does not pretend everything is easy, but he brings the question to Hashem. Datan and Aviram bring it into machloket. This is the difference between a hard question and a rebellion. Judaism allows the hard questions. It even records Moshe asking it. But the question must be asked with humility, not as a weapon against the one Hashem sent. The Torah testifies, the man Moshe was exceedingly humble, more than any man on the face of the earth. Korach says, why do you raise yourselves? Torah says, Moshe is the last person seeking self-elevation. Moshe himself says in the Korach story, by this you shall know that Hashem sent me to do all these deeds. It was not from my own heart. This is not my project. This is not my ego. This is Hashem's command. After the rebellion, Aaron's staff blossoms. The Torah gives a quiet, organic sign after the dramatic swallowing of the earth. Kehuna is not nepotism. It is not Moshe giving a job to his brother. It is divine life force flowing through the chosen channel. Korach is right that all Israel is holy, but he is wrong that holiness erases structure. Datan and Aviram may be right that Jewish loss is painful, but they are wrong that pain invalidates Hashem's Geulah. The Torah's answer is Geulah requires compassion, but it also requires birur. Kiddusha belongs to everyone, but it also requires ordered vessels. The tragedy of Datan, Aviram, and Korach is that they take pieces of truth, the holiness of Israel, the pain of Jewish loss, the danger of power, and they turn them against the divine order. Moshe takes the same pain and submits it to Hashem. But if this is the end of the story, Datan and Aviram remain only a warning. The Arizal gives us something deeper. Even they have a tikkun. Let's get into that in our next and last video.